Hello, today I'll be showing you all how to begin your macrame craft kit. So when you open your bag, you should have been given a dowel like this one, as well as 25-inch strands of yarn like this one right here. And in order to begin your macrame tapestry, we will have to be attaching the yarn to the dowel. So your craft kit did mention tape. And that will come up later, but right now we're just going to be doing this with just holding the dowel. So we have to attach the yarn using a reverse lark head knot. So what we're going to begin doing is taking our pieces of yarn and folding them in half, making sure that the ends are of equal length. So, nope. Yes, okay. So now that our yarn is perfectly folded in half, what we're going to do is, taking our dowel, we're going to put our yarn over it like this. And you see how the folded part is over like that? What we're going to do is we're going to bring that underneath and then grab the two strands like so and pull it through. After that, you just tighten it up and you should have a pretty good looking reverse lark head knot. In order to attach all of our yarn to the dowel, we will have to repeat that step 8 times for each piece of yarn. So just for the record, so that we can view that part again, put the fold over the dowel, bring your fingers through the hole and pull it and tighten it. In order to finish off my little project, I'm just going to continue doing that over and over again until all of my pieces of yarn are on my dowel. So there's number 3. And this is something that might seem a little complicated at first, but once you kind of get into the practice of doing it, you'll find that you can do it very quickly, like so. The good thing about lark head knots are that they're very sturdy. So unless you slide it off the dowel like this, it definitely shouldn't be coming undone. So we can do lots with this lovely little knot. So once your dowel is all set up and you have all your pieces of yarn firmly placed on it, you can kind of just space them out to wherever you want them to be. You'll also notice that in your craft kit, you'll have a selection of pony beads. If you'd like, you could actually put them in between each of your knots here. That would give you a nice amount of space to work with, especially if you're doing a piece with square knots. I find that that really helps. So real quick, I'm just going to tape this up. So you're just going to take your tape, and what I like to do is just firmly place it on the ends. This way, when you start doing your other knots, like your half hitch and your square knot, your dowel will stay in place, and it will allow you a nice, good workspace to just kind of pull on the yarn or put it off to the side. After that, you should have your dowel all set up for the next knot that we're going to be practicing, which is our half hitch.